This gives the probability of complementary events that the chance that A does not happen. Example, if the chance of rain today is 0.3, what's the chance it doesn't rain? This is the solution. Let's proceed to number 5. This gives us the probability of A given that B happen. Where being asked, what's the chance of A if we already know B happen? We divided joint probability by the condition. Just like the last one, but now condition is A instead of B. We're given the A happen, what's the chance that B also happen? 0.1, 0.25, 0.4. This is called the union bound. It gives an upper limit for the probability that at least one event happens. Solution. The events may overlap, but the union bound says A1, A2, A3, 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.1 equal 0.6. This is the lower bound for the probability that all events happen. If the chance of winning 3 tasks are solution, at the failure chance 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.05 equal 0.35. The chance of succeed is at least 1 by 0.65. This finds the chance that A happen but not B. Solution. The part of A where B also happen is 0.2. So A without B is 0.6 minus 0.2 equal 0.4. This is the law of total probability. We break B into different cases based on which group A tells to include. Math major, 60% of students, 90% passed. CS majors, 14%, 78% passed. What's the total chance a student passes? Multiply